Hello and welcome to this course on Customer Analytics for Businesses. I'm Merishna, a data scientist at the ClickReader, and I'll be your instructor for this course. In this course, we'll be going over the entire arc of learning how to successfully implement customer analytics for your business. We'll start by learning to identify what data to collect and from which sources, along with the best practices. We'll then move on to understanding how to analyze this data using various statistical and graphical methods. We'll also learn how to make better decisions as a business by profiling and segmenting our customers using a programmatic approach. Finally, at the end of this course, I'll also be going over a concrete step-by-step framework called the STP framework, which will allow you to acquire, retain, and grow your customer base. Also, please be mindful that this course is a blend of both theoretical as well as hands-on lessons, so you should have a good knowledge in Python and its libraries Pandas and Matplotlib. So if you're excited to learn all of this, let us hop onto the course and start learning. See you there.